In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use portrait particles template so you can add particles behind the user, optionally add text and images. Enjoy! Hello everyone, my name is Tarek and welcome to the 22nd tutorial of beginner templates in Lens Studio. For today's template, we have a template called portrait particles. You can add particles behind the user and optionally you can add text and images. Let's go ahead and check this template. So once you open the template, you can see we have a script here called portrait particles controller. It has a header and it has a footer and it has particles, text and post effect. I'm going to turn all of these off so I can explain it to you how this things works. So first thing first, we're going to go to the orthographic camera. You don't need to do this, but I'm here to explain to you how this template works. We have some lot materials in here. We have retouch applied. We have a text that's empty in here. I'm going to show you why it's empty. And we have also a header image put in the screen here and a footer image down in here, and it's also empty. So we have here a particles in scene object. We have bouquet, built-in particles, and so many different particles, firework, flowers, balloons, built-in particles. It's all enabled, but it's not shown in the screen. I'm going to tell you why. So that's why we have the portrait. Let's turn off all these things in here. And then now let's focus on the portrait particles controller. If you go to header, in here, the header, it's connected with this image in here, which is the header 2D image. If you turn it on, you can apply the header in the screen. And if you go to the header here, you can control where you want this header to be, for example. I'm going to put it in here, for example, okay? Then the second one, we have the footer, which means like it's going to be in here around this area, and you can also control the image like this up and down, or you can add different texture and you can apply it anywhere in the screen, but this is meant to be in here in the footer image. After this, we have the particles. So the particles, there's many particles as I mentioned built in here, which is very interesting particles. I love them, all of them. So we have the fireworks. You can change the particles to be balloons if it's birthday party. And we have a flower. I love this one so much. We have also this particles, and we have the bouquet particles, and you can also set your own custom particles. If you go in here, you see it's custom particles. You can go to the materials and play with the particle in here and customize your own particles, changing the colors, changing the numbers. There's many things in the particles. We're gonna learn it soon. Okay, let's go back in here. After we apply the particles, I'm gonna pick the flower like this. Then we have the text. So the text here is empty. That's why we keep it empty, because we're gonna control the text through the script in here. So let's write, for example, party like this. Snap party. And as you can see here, we keep the footer, for example, or the header like under the name of the snap party like this, for example. And also we can control the text of this text in here. We can control the color. The original color is going to be white, and we have an outline, which is the black outline, and we have a shadow drop like this as a color behind the text. And we also can customize your own font in here. Also, we have a post effect. We have post effects in here, color correction, and we can also turn it on if you want to apply a post effect in your template in here. So yeah, this is how can you use this template in Lens Studio. It's very easy, very simple. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial.